Hey guys, it's Michael from tmpspodcast.com. It is here, the Casio G-Shock Move DW-H5600. Literally just dropped off from Amazon. And this is a real unboxing. You can see it's still in there. So let's get it open and check it out. When I saw that this watch existed, I kind of had to have it. And I have the DW-H5600-2. And that just means it's the bluish one. This one. I have a lot of black Casios, so I thought, let's do something a little different. So there's the box. You can see it's much different from other Casio boxes. There, let's take that out here. This is pretty typical of a Casio box, that kind of slanted thing. All right. There it is, G-Shock. Let's take it out there, put that there. Okay. The DW-H5600 Health and Fitness Tracker. Running, walking, gym workout, interval timer, activity log, blood oxygen, breathing exercise, nightly recharge, notification, heart rate sensor, accelerometer, solar assisted charging. So that is a cool thing about this watch is you can charge it. It comes with a charger, which I'll show you. And you could also have solar charging. Now, solar assisted charging. So that kind of makes me think it's not a full solar charging watch, but the sun can help. So that was listed all right here, as you can see. Oh, this is a little canvas bag. Look at this. Heart rate, smartphone link, WR20 bar, water, not resistance, 20 bars. Dual charging system, solar powered USB charging. Okay, so it is, there it is. The typical Casio tag. Oh, it comes a little canvas pouch. Isn't that cute? And wow, look at that legibility on that watch. Holy heck, look at that. When I saw there was kind of like a Casio smartwatch, I had to have it. Okay, now, so you have the typical Casio G-Shock square look, right, that everyone loves, but with an updated screen and obviously a lot of updated functionality. And this thing on the back here, this obviously, which does your heart rate and all of that stuff, is very different from other Casios. And I've seen online that you see how it's like, I don't know if you can see it. It's like raised up. Yeah, see that? How is that going to leave a mark on your wrist? Oh, you know what? The buckle's all wrapped up here. Oh boy. Cue edit video. There we go. And let's get the price tag off. This retails $299 USD. All right, so again, we have the square. We got the sensor stuff on the back. Let's see how it feels with that raised sensor. I don't really feel it. I feel the little coldness on my wrist underneath. But yeah, so there it is, guys. And I'm assuming in here, yep, we got another box. And this box will have your international warranty, your user manual, and this is the very unique charging cable. So my understanding is that, let's take the watch off. It looks great though. Oh, I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Okay. You take this, oh. I see. Right, see that in there? That shape? It looks like it connects this thing down here. So you just grab that. Oh, maybe not. This is a real unboxing. I'm making a mess of it. I don't even know what I'm doing. There we go. There we go, like that. Grips on, USB there. There you go. So there it is, guys. Wow, this watch is fantastic. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go through all the functionality of all pushing the buttons and stuff. I need to do some homework on that. But I did want to unbox it. I was super excited that it showed up tonight, and I just wanted to see it, and I can't wait. I'm looking to replace my Samsung Galaxy with a Casio smartwatch, counting steps, you know, gym workouts. We'll see how it does. But I'll be making a full video reviewing all the functions and showing you functionality. So stay tuned for that. Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.